Yeah, for sure. I mean, we fashion ourselves as the world's premier motorsport simulation. We're a PC subscription product. The company has been around for over a decade, and actually its origins are traced back much further than that to the 90s, and I believe even the late 80s, actually, with a company called Papyrus that used to do licensed sims for IndyCar and NASCAR. And obviously, the computing power of the time, much different from what we have today, where, you know, back then you'd probably be playing things off floppy disks, and now here we are with solid state drives, and, you know, I've got my USB microphone, we're talking on Skype, you know, we've got all this processing power. Very different. But Papyrus made a series of, you know, very successful, very popular computer games, and after losing the exclusive license in the early 2000s to EA, the company, most of the people sort of reorganized, rebranded with the help of John Henry, who is the, you know, obviously the owner of the Boston Red Sox, owner of Liverpool FC, owner of a number of other businesses, and sort of reorganized into iRacing. And the idea of iRacing has been to take that realistic model of simulation racing. Really, we kind of see ourselves as the original esport, because we have always been multiplayer. You know, from the very, very beginning, it's always been purely about racing online, really. And expanded from those NASCAR physics, and obviously NASCAR has been, you know, kind of the bread and butter of a lot of what we've done over the years, but expanding back into open wheel, expanding into sports cars, expanding into dirt oval stuff with the World of Outlaws, expanding into dirt road racing with short course trucks and rallycross, which is where I come from in the real world of racing. And so now we've got a product with 80 plus tracks, 80 plus cars, you know, quarterly builds where we release new content. There's all sorts of stuff. Anywhere from 5 to 7 world championships a year that give out over $500,000 to the world's best players. It's something that's really exploded. And then, obviously,
Hey, thanks for watching this video. This is my dog, Murphy, and these are dog treats. Now I'll give Murphy one of these dog treats, and all you have to do is press the like button. Just press that little like button right down there at the bottom of this video, and this sweet, adorable, cute little puppy gets a treat. All thanks to you. All right, you did it? Okay, I believe you if you said you did it. There you go, Murph. She got that treat because of you. Now, I'll eat one of these treats, and all you have to do is click that subscribe button right there, pointing to it. Just click that subscribe button, subscribe to Curiosityness with me, Travis DeRose. Get lots of good video, and I'll eat this treat. All right, you did that too? That's not very good. Bro, not very good.